Hello friends, I am Sakshi Madan. I have done BSc Chemistry Honours, BEd and MA Education. Now I am pursuing MA Psychology and I have teaching experience of 10 years offline and 3 years online. In class 10th, I am taking class 10th and we have divided the all the chapters, 13 chapters into 100 hours. In first chapter, we have taken chemical reactions and equations, and we have taken 6 hours. We will teach about combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement reaction. In chapter 2, we will take about pH paper, washing soda, baking soda, plaster of Paris, acid and bases. Okay, and we will take it in 8 hours. In chapter 3, we will take it in 8 hours also, that is metals and non-metals, physical property, chemical property, roasting and calcination. In chapter 4, carbon and its compounds, that we will take it in 8 hours. And saturated compounds, unsaturated compounds, these are the topics, functional groups, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, alkane and alkynes also. In chapter 5, we will take life processes in 8 hours, nutrition, transportation, respiration, excretion. In chapter 6, control and coordination, that we will take it in 8 hours. That is reflex arc, nervous tissue, hormones, sensory nerves, motor nerves. We will study about reflex arc. In chapter 7, how do organisms reproduce? It will be taken in 8 hours. Sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, vegetative propagation, tissue culture. In chapter 8, heredity and evolution, we will take it in 6 hours. Heredity, genetic drift, evolution, Mendel's law, dominant traits, recessive traits. In chapter 9, light reflection and reflection, we will take it in 10 hours. Convex mirror, convex lens, concave lens, and magnification and focal length, and pole and center of curvature. In chapter 10, the human eye and colorful word, we will take it in 8 hours. Human eye diagram, astigmatation, presbyopia, far-sightedness, and nearsightedness. In chapter 11, we will take electricity in 8 hours, resistance, potential difference, current, charge, Ohm's law, resistivity, and Joule's law of heating. In chapter 12, magnetic effects of electric current, we will take it in 8 hours, magnetic compass, electromagnet, magnetic effects, North Pole, South Pole, solenoid. And in chapter 13, environment, we will take it in 6 hours, 10% law, consumers, producers, omnivores, trophic levels. Okay. Now let us discuss about some environment topic and the topic is 10% law. What do you mean by 10% law? It does mean that the energy 10% will be go on upper and upper trophic levels. Okay. The 10% rule of the energy transfer states that each level in the ecosystem only gives 10% of the energy to the levels above it. This law explains much of the structural dynamics of the ecosystem, including why there are more organisms at the bottom of the ecosystem pyramid compared to the top. In the bottom of the ecosystem, there are more organisms as comparison to the upper, like this is producer, this is primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. In producer, there are plants, primary consumer. There will be. Let us take an example. In there will be the plant, and after that there will be the deer, and after that there will be lion, and after that there will be a man in tertiary consumer. Okay, and all these are the decomposers. Energy lost as heat in all these. Okay. So this is how the energy is getting converted. Okay, so the producer, like in producers, they are having the 10,000 kilojoule energy. So the 10% is used. The 10% is used in the upper level, and the 90% is getting used in the producers. And in another one, there will be the 1,000 kilojoule. So 10% is used here, and the 10% will be go to the upper, and the 90% is used in primary consumers. Similarly, let us take an example like this. So in this, there is a grass and the 100 joule of the light energy. Then 10 joules of the energy will be 10% will be getting converted into the next one. Then after that, 10% will be getting converted into the next another one. Okay, so the 90% is left behind, and here also the 90% is left behind, and here also 90% is left behind. So the basically meaning that in this there is 1,000 joule energy, in this there will be the 100 joule energy, and in this there will be the 10 joule energy. Okay, so 90% has been used in the earlier one. 90% of the 1,000 part is used in the earlier one. Then 90% of the earlier part is used in the like 90% of 100 is used in here, and the 90% of 10 is used in here, and the left at the last tropic level there will be no energy, means there will be very less energy that will be having. That is also means example of the last topic level is man. You can say this. Okay, so like example, this 10 joule energy available as food producer, 1 joule energy available as food herbivore, and zero point 0.1 joule energy available as food. So the 90% of energy is utilized here, and in this the 90% is utilized here, and in this also the 90% is utilized on all the processes. Only point, only 10% is left at the last. In the last, only the 10% is left. So this is known as a 10% loss. So basically, what does 10% loss say is that it means that if there is 10 joule energy available as a food, so 90% is used here, 10% will go onto the deer, okay? And there will be the 1 joule energy available as a food, and then there will be the 90% is used here, and then 10% is gone here, and it is used as a energy. This will be the zero point 0.1 joule energy available for the last trophic level. So it is clear now. I am very much thankful for this video, and hope you will like this. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
रुक जा, मैं कर दूँ।